Hello and welcome back to Chasing the Target. It's end of day two. England dominating day two. They are trailing only around by 130 runs now with 8 wickets remaining. Ben Duckett and Zach Crawley were outstanding today. बहुत ज़बरदस्त batting करे. India bowled poor as well. We'll talk about that. But the day started with Rishabh Pant. भाई, that was the main topic. कि भाई उसका क्या scene है, क्या injury है. You know, a lot of people talking about fracture. A lot of people talking about swelling. There was a statement from the BCCI that he will not be keeping in this Test match because of his injury, and he will bat if needed or required by the team. And what happened was, after the Shardul Thakur got out, Rishabh Pant came into bat, and bhai main to usko dekha in the morning. He came to the ground on crutches, joined the team late, and after that he got into his gear, got into his uniform, and came out to bat. जब ज़रूरत पड़ी he came to bat and he was clearly struggling. उसको टाइम लगा भाई from dressing room से यहाँ ना, limping था. He couldn't be on his feet, man. He was on his crutches just like half an hour before, and सीधा फिर बैटिंग करने के लिए. I think हमारे को वो चीज़ appreciate करना है as a cricket fan, as a cricket watcher, कि भाई the way he came out just to bat, and वहाँ पे भी उन्हें आके 15 रन मारा, 50 भी मार दिया भाई. बहुत बड़ी बात है. Just to face one ball with that pain, इतनी तकलीफ में था भाई, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता सुबह में. And I'm sure he took the painkillers and everything and came out to bat, but still he was in so much pain. He couldn't hardly walk, and he was still getting those singles. जो भी था, boundary भी, छक्का भी मार दिया भाई उन्हें, कोई मजाक नहीं है वो. So incredible from Rishabh Pant. Took India to 350. I thought it was a competitive total, looking at the conditions, and looking at where India was yesterday. I thought it was a good score, but suddenly the weather changed. अगर आप देखिए at lunch we were live as well, and Faiz bhai बोल रहे थे कि बारिश पड़ रही है, and like I showed you guys the drizzle and everything, and then suddenly the weather changed. धूप निकल गई. धूप निकले बाद फिर आपका पिच थोड़ा इजी हो गया बैटिंग करने के लिए. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, इनिशियली बिफोर द सन केम आउट, इंडिया वर वेरी वेवर्ड विद देयर बॉलिंग डाउन द लेग साइड. जसप्रीत बुमराह kept bowling down the leg side. Duckett kept punishing him. फिर Anshul Kamboj making his debut. I know that he was nervous. I knew that he is inexperienced, लेकिन he also was bowling a lot of loose deliveries, which made it easy for the English openers. Duckett was outstanding. जिस तरीके से उन्हें getting into position और बैटिंग कर रहा था, उन्हें unbelievable बैटिंग थी उसकी. Zach Crawley भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त कड़क शॉट खेल रहा था, लेकिन अपनी लाइन लेंथ सही नहीं थी. And then when the sun came out, England started making hay while the sun shines, as the saying goes, and they batted beautifully. It was a wonderful partnership. They crossed 100 in no time, and the crazy thing about the partnership was कि भाई 5 रन की run rate से चल रही थी, and that is what is hurting India as well. It's not just that they're getting close to India's score, but how quickly they are. Now we're only 2 days finished. अभी और 3 दिन है मैच का. If England keep batting like this, they can get to 500-600 and threaten India of innings defeat. ये भी हो सकता. So जिस तरीके से बैटिंग करे, the run rate, the shots, everything, India were under pressure. Jadeja came in I think a bit late. If you talk about Shubman Gill's captaincy, obviously he can't do much अगर bowlers ऐसे line length डाल रहे, but I think he waited a bit too much. Siraj को भी थोड़ा सा जल्दी लेके आ सकता था, और he could have opened with Siraj, but ठीक है, that's also fine. But the spinners he could have got a bit earlier. जो आपके जडेजा है, सुंदर को ट्राई नहीं किया, like should have got them a bit earlier and bowled them. It is, the wicket is dry, there is a rough there, and Jadeja did pick up the wicket. I know they're aggressive against him, लेकिन there's always chance of picking up the wicket. He got you the first wicket. Then Anshul Kamboj, I mean, picking up his debut wicket as well. That's a massive achievement. Well done to him over there. But overall, अपनी एक्यूरेसी नहीं थी. वी वर ड्रिफ्टिंग टू मच डाउन द लेग साइड. वी हैव टू बी पेशेंट ऑन दीज विकेट्स. यहाँ पे आपको एक टप्पे पे डालना है, वो नहीं हुआ हमारे से. एंड कल इट्स अ डिफरेंट डे. टुमारो होपफुली वी कम बैक, बोथ दैट आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप चैनल, एंड मेक श्योर दैट वी टेस्टिंग द इंग्लिश बैट्समैन, गिव देम समथिंग टू थिंक अबाउट. अगर आप ऐसी बॉलिंग करते रहेंगे देन इट्स गोइंग बी डिफिकल्ट. देखो यहाँ पे वेदर का भरोसा नहीं. अभी तो धूप है, इट्स 8 PM ऑलरेडी, बट धूप तो है. लाइक आज द सन वाज आउट फॉर द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ England's batting, लेकिन कल पता नहीं क्या होगा. अगर weather conditions overcast भी है तो we still need to hit the right areas, because now that batsman is set, Joe Root or Ollie Pope at the crease, it's ominous signs for India, but still in the game. You gotta आप lead में भी है तो you got to apply that pressure. You got to pick up early wickets and take your chances whenever they come in and create that pressure. That क्रिएटिंग प्रेशर वाला नहीं दिख रहा था आज. 1-2 अच्छा बॉल सिराज भी डाला, फिर पिट गया. फिर बुमराह एक अच्छा बॉल करके उन्हें पिट गया. इवन यू सी द लास्ट ओवर इज द प्राइम एग्जांपल. ही बॉल्ड 3-4 really good deliveries, then the second last ball went for 4 or went down the ground. So that's something that India have to look at tomorrow, and hopefully उम्मीद ये है कि जल्दी विकेट ले एंड शुभमन गिल विल नीड टू यूज द स्पिनर्स. Jadeja needs to step up in my opinion. देखो with the bat he's had an outstanding series, no doubt he's a great player. But now we need to see Jadeja with the ball. I think he has to use these conditions and he needs to trigger a collapse somewhere. You know how Washi did it at Lords? These spinners need to do something here and I'm hoping that they do to keep India in this contest because look, the series is on the line. Abhi aapko ye match jeetna zaruri hai to stay alive. Agar haar gaye to series khatam hai. To us hisab se I'm hoping we get some magical spell at Old Trafford, man. Like I said, we'll see what the weather holds for tomorrow. It could be overcast again and it could help the bowlers, but like I mentioned, you got to still make the most of it then. But yeah, overall it's been England's day. The openers were really good. Now Joe Root looks set, Ollie Pope looks set as well, and Zach Crawley देखो like काफी criticism उसका हुआ and rightly so, लेकिन he's shown you have to give credit to Ben Stokes over there. The way he's backed Zach Crawley, he's been unbelievable. It's been unbelievable the way he's backed him because he hasn't gotten those runs. उन्हें अभी भी लोग बोलेंगे कि भाई उन्हें एक आध खेल लेता मगर क्या है, but he batted really well today. Credit where due. And Ben Stokes, what a player, man! Picking up a 5-for, I think it's his first 5-for in a long time. बेहतरीन bowling and like watching him live, he's faster than he looks, man. Like he's quicker. He rushes the batsman. He always has a plan for specific batsmen. जब पंत आया today, he was attacking his toe. He kept bowling those jokers. The way he executes his plans is unbelievable. Line length, accuracy बहुत ज़बरदस्त है Ben Stokes का. It was a great spell again. And this guy, if he's not doing with the bat, he's doing with the ball. That's why he's such a great player, great all-rounder, proper match winner. And this series, he's on top of things. मतलब he is so focused on winning this series. Normally, since he took over as captain, he's been a bit light-hearted. He's, even if they're losing or winning, उतना emotion नहीं दिखा रहा. अभी emotion दिखा रहा. वो हर wicket पे emotion दिखा रहा. And he's looking to win this game for England and win this series. That's his main goal, I think. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps it up in terms of day 2's roundup. Make sure you're joining us on day 3 as well. Chasing the Target, we'll be live with the preview pair. Fazbai will be doing the watch-alongs as well, and we'll have a review after where I'll join as well. So thank you everybody for all the support. We're in Manchester right now. We're trying to get you the best coverage and we'll continue to do so hopefully. Take care everyone and have a good rest of the evening.